So we did finish our project today, but we did run into a big issue with the project, which leads to us pretty much starting over with a different radiator and most likely relocating both mounts again because of this throttle position sensor. Actually ended up where my upper radiator hose was supposed to end up. I didn't account for that. I think the research that I got this information from, they were using either a Skunk 2 intake manifold or a K20. I'm not sure, but I've opted to change to a '04 Honda Accord radiator for an EX that looks to be like it's going to work just fine because this nozzle is going to end up way over here. It'll actually get rid of this whole needing the overflow reservoir and all that because it's got a built-in cap on it, and it actually puts my lower hose in a better location and get away from using a quick connect, which I didn't want to have to do either. But we did get a long ways with basically nothing today, but now we know that if you're using a K24 with a stock intake manifold, you're not going to be able to use the '09 Civic Si radiator. It's just not going to be a possibility because of, for one, the neck's in the wrong spot, obviously, and two, I'm not sure if the information I had, they were putting the radiator mounted lower, but the filler neck that you'd have to install with this, there's basically no way to install it and make it work right because it needs to be up higher.